Hello, Kennedy Cougars. This is Miss Cedillo, your teacher librarian, and I want to wish you all a happy Black History Month. Today I'm here with Derek, and we want to show you how to access the MyOn book list that is available to you. Derek, go ahead and show us the list. So this is just a partial collection of the titles that are available to you. Now, if you were to just click on one of these links, you would have trouble accessing the title. So let's take a look at Buffalo Soldiers, Heroes of the American West. And you can see that it's going to give you this login screen. And as an LAUSD student, you actually have to enter through our portal. So let's go back to Schoology and let's go to the 4 boxes and look for the app. It's called Renaissance Learning, and this is all on everyone's Schoology. So Renaissance Learning, and it will open as a new window. So once you launch the app, you do have to switch screens, and here we go. Please wait. Okay, and we are looking for MyOn. And there you go. So make sure that you are logged in through Schoology first before you try to access the links. So start the book. Thank you, Derek. And don't forget to scan the QR code after you finish reading the book to join the LAUSD Blast Off Reading Challenge to maybe win a prize for your class, your school, or for yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.